Now we're going to talk about two more changes in 13.5 Remote Desktop Manager. The first one we're going to talk about is that we've added documentation search so that you can search your documentation. I'll just look at my screen and then I'll remind you what documentation is. Do you have procedures that you need to follow once you open a session, or are there notes that you like to share with your team about a certain entry? We recommend that you do that on the documentation tab on the entry, which is just here. Here we have a procedure on how to connect to the server. So maybe it happens that you don't remember where the documentation is kept. We've now added a documentation search. It's on the View tab and you click Documentation Search. Here we can put in a word or a sentence. Let's go with server and click Search. Here you can see in this pane right here that there's two entries that have documentation with the word server in it. Up here is the title of the documentation. And here we see a preview of the document. If I want to go to this one in Downhill 2, I just select it and then select a navigation pane. And I'm taken there. We can see it's just here. If I want to reset, just click here and put in a new search term. So that's everything I wanted to show you with documentation search. I hope you enjoy using it. We know that documentation is a very popular tool, so let's take it from there. Another feature that we added in 13.5 Remote Desktop Manager is thumbnail view. We'll just look at my screen and I'll show you how it works. I've opened 4 remote sessions to different computers. And then to see thumbnail view, I go to View, Thumbnails. And here we get an overview of the 4 sessions I have open. We can see everything as they change in real time, so it's great for monitoring. Thumbnail works with specific sessions. Apple Remote Desktop, VNC, Default Viewer Only, Intel AMT VNC Viewer, Microsoft RDP, and Wake Now will be coming in the next version of Remote Desktop Manager. So that's how you use Thumbnail Overview.